People ask what kind of accessories go the best with Fibo laminate wall panels, and basically it's whatever accessories you really need for that bathroom and shower to function the way you want. For most people, I would say the number one need is storage. I know in my particular shower, we have a longer niche than this one, and 90% of that stuff is my wife's. That's why she probably looks beautiful and I don't, but you can really put a lot of stuff in there. This is a powder coated matte black oversized niche. These niches come in 10 different finishes and 7 different sizes. There is also vertical sizes. So if you have a small shower, let's say 3 foot by 3 foot, where you can't use something really long, you can go with something that's very tall. That is probably the number one accessory. Beyond that, a lot of safety accessories have become popular. This is a grab bar, but it can also double as a towel bar. This one's in matte black. It could have been a brushed nickel, could have been chrome, really any type of a finish. That makes it safer, but also can be stylish. Over here, this is a great thing, the seat function, especially if you're sharing a shower like I do with my wife, in a 60-inch space, if I was coming in here, this might be a little tighter for me because the seat is down, but with a fold down seat, I could have that seat up. So there's plenty of room for me when I'm showering. And then if my wife wanted to shave her legs, she'd put that seat down. In addition to things like the niches, some people want just a corner shelf, and I'm going to literally pull this out of my back pocket. There it is. Yes, it was a prop, and I had it that way. But anyway, these can be placed anywhere, really, with a bracket system on these walls where you want them. They come in all sorts of different finishes. It's a solid surface, so it's not a cheap material. It's nice and can't bend it or anything like that. If you want more information on the accessories that can be used with the wall panels, go to innovatebuildingsolutions.com, go in the bathroom section. There'll be an area for contemporary shower accessories. If you want more information on these wall panels, go to innovatewallpanels.com, or certainly you can give us a call. We get kind of lonely, so we'd love to hear from you. Number is 877-668-5888. Thanks so much.